Thanks everybody for showing up for this occasion with Greg. I know it means a lot to he and his family, and it just kind of shows how well you're loved, other than the free beer, I guess. Probably didn't have a thing to do with it, but you guys, Greg's been with this organization for 35 years, and it's a long time. I don't know, Frank, how long were you here for? 37? Yeah, he stayed 2 years too late, as you can tell by his body. So, you know, when I thought about what I should say about Greg and thank him for everything that he's done for me, because truthfully, Greg, every financial meeting I've been in, when I go over your numbers, I'm always very proud. You've made me look good for years, and I thank you for that. But really, who we probably ought to be thanking is Diane. Diane has put up with 35 years of the phone call in the middle of the night when the dog got out, or the alarms going off, or somebody's not showing up, or putting up with you coming home after having your butt just chewed out day in and day out by some customers that maybe we deserved, but an awful lot of them you didn't deserve it at all. And you kept the heat off me, which has allowed me to keep my hair longer than yours, of course. Help me. But we really are going to miss you. I have watched you this past month when you announced you were going to retire, and Greg became the friendliest guy I've ever met. I mean, it was whatever you wanted. Greg was, yeah, sure, that works for me. No problem. You know? But to know how hard a job Greg has had, and I'll tell you, I think Greg has got the single toughest job in the automobile business, being a service manager of a high volume shop like we've got. And you have done a spectacular job. In fact, you did it so well that I'm having to hire 2 people to replace you. Here I was thinking I might save some money or something, but no. But as a token of the family and the organization's appreciation for your hard work, they've given you a small check. Can it clear yet? It can. Okay. And I hope you and Diane use that for trips, for whatever you want. Just so you know, that's a net check. You're not going to be taxed on it. Very important to know. Wow. Okay? And I guess Bill or Ben may want to say something, but...
Yeah, and another reason he's retiring, I'm sure building this building might have had a little something to do with it too, possibly. Because I really appreciate anybody that worked here during that year or two that it took to put this together. But Greg, we're going to miss you. Don't be a stranger. Enjoy the retirement, Diane. Enjoy yourself. Had a lot of fun.
Seriously, Greg, we appreciate you. I think the facility that we're in now, a lot of that is attributed to Greg. I mean, we had a crappy place for service and the technicians to work. And as I told Valerie, I said if you and I had to be out there in February or July or August, it would have been built a long time ago. But it's something we're proud of. It's something that you helped put together for us. And we're all very appreciative for your 35 years. And we wish you nothing but happiness in your retirement. And as I told you, there is a consulting opportunity for you when you run out of things to do around the household. So congratulations, Greg. Thank you.
I got a few special things to say myself. There's a lot of people here that came up together with me. I feel like I've known them a long time, most of their lives. I watched them buy homes, get married, have children, mature, grow up. Doc and I started here. He started a little before I did, but I feel like we were just teenagers then, but we obviously weren't. But I started in October of 1976. I'm now leaving in October of 2019. Kind of ironic that it's that time frame. I did leave for a while, as so many other people have here. But I always, when I left here, I always wanted to come back. I always was looking for a way to come back. And it was a special family bond that this place presented to me and my family. And special thanks to my wife Diane and my kids, Jonathan, and now my daughter-in-law Stephanie and my granddaughters, Madison and Caroline. It's fun watching them grow up, and I'll have more time to spend with them now. I've been asked a number of times, have I regretted retiring? And I said, no, not for a moment. I'll miss you guys, I'll miss the people here, but I won't miss some of the adverse conditions with customers and complaints. And someone asked me if they transferred me to another store and they said they were going to build another location. I said, well, I would quit that day. I wouldn't go through that again. It was not easy for Pete, for sure, and me, and Jody, and different ones. And Jody, special thanks to you all your years for your help and support. Pete, you've been a pleasure to deal with and to work for. I always felt like we were partners and not boss and co-worker. It was a great ride for me for many years. Joey Brown and Jody Boyles, Stephen Pye, Joseph Varner, all these guys that have been here a long time. Richard Goby's come and gone. I've gotten to know people like John Nicholson and Bill Hughes over the years. And the GMs that have come here today, I really appreciate. Special thanks to you guys for coming. I've enjoyed it, and I will miss you guys, but I won't miss the work, the type of work. I will say that. So anyway, thank you very much. Thank you.